We need to simplify this rational expression and keep every original restriction. The denominator x cannot be 0. The second denominator is a difference of squares. So, x cannot be -3 or 3. For the third denominator, factor out a negative sign, so the factor x minus 3 matches the others. That negative sign changes the third fraction into a negative fraction. Now, all denominators are written with matching factors. The common denominator needs each distinct original factor once. Each numerator is multiplied by the factors missing from its denominator. Start simplifying the numerator by expanding the difference of squares product. Be careful with the minus signs in front of both later terms. The squared terms cancel, and the remaining terms combine. Factor the numerator, so the common factor is visible. We may cancel the common factor, but cancellation does not erase the original restriction. The simplified expression is 6 over x times x plus 3. The original restrictions remain. X cannot be -3, 0, or 3.